Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily block channels on YouTube. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your store, Play Store or App Store, it doesn't matter. Let's make sure we have the YouTube app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything works smoothly in the process. After that, let's quit the store and open YouTube. Of course, you have to be logged in. Let's say I want to block the CoffeeZilla channel right here. What I want to do, or at least the first option I can do from here, is tap the three dots right next to the title, and then here I have two options. The first one says not interested. You can tap that and then YouTube will show you less of those videos. But if you want to block the channel, you can tap do not recommend channel. Yeah, that one. But if you try to open the channel and do these two from the channel itself, which makes it easier, YouTube doesn't give you the option to do that. As you can see, there is no feature to tap on not interested or hide channel or do not recommend channel, just like this one right here, as you can see, which is a bummer, but you can still do it whenever you see a video from that channel in your feed right here. Now that is for the first option. Now what you can also do, which is obvious but people tend to forget to do it once they want to stop seeing a channel, they just forget to unsubscribe. All you need to do is unsubscribe if you use a subscriber to that channel, and YouTube will automatically show you less of that channel, and sometimes it show you nothing of that channel eventually once you stop watching it. Now what you can also do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then just tap on hide user from my channel. Basically, this feature is the closest to blocking because their comments won't be shown anymore basically on your channel, the previous one and the coming one as well. So if they used to comment negative comments or comments you don't want, you can just use this feature. So blocking basically directly is not available on YouTube. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.